Well, hello everyone. This is Anna and welcome back to my channel. I have received my swap back from Sherrie Jones, which was the sewing machine by Christy Ann's Adventures. That was the video we were supposed to follow, or the tutorial. And this is how I took this out of the box, so I have not looked at it. And then there was another package. I think I know what this is, but I'm not entirely sure. But I don't believe it is part of the swap. So she laid this in the box very carefully. It looks like there was a lot of bubble wrap and stuff around it. So she put some trim on here, in here. Look how pretty this trim is, and there is quite a bit of it. You know what, this kind of makes me want to make another birthday cake and put this around the cake. Oh my gosh, I think that would look so pretty. So thank you, Sherrie. I love that. And she sent a lot of it, guys. Look at that. It's a lot. And then she also sent this beautiful green lace fabric that is so pretty. I just love that green. I may use this for the pink Christmas. I may use that for, think of something to do with it. So she sent that as well, and she sent quite a bit of it too. Thank you, Sherrie. I love that color. And here is her sewing machine, guys. That is so cute. Oh my goodness, that is so adorable. So let me stand this up. Like I said, I have not looked at it. Let me stand this up for a second so I can see what it is. And this goes right here, and she used an actual needle. Okay, so I'm hoping you guys can see that. Let me see. Yeah, you guys can see that. So at the bottom, she put this really pretty rose floral paper on the bottom of the sewing machine. And she used some really pretty appliques right here at the bottom of the actual sewing machine. This is the box that the base that the sewing machines sit on. So that's really pretty. This box opens up, and then this really pretty applique lace or applique trim on the bottom. That's so pretty. And here is her knob. I don't know what she used for her knob, guys. Let me take a look. Oh, they look like wooden buttons. That's what they look like. Just round wooden pieces there. That's so pretty. And then she used another piece of the lace right here. And she put my name on it right here. The letters have roses on them. That's so pretty. And then she used some more lace on the top. And these flowers kind of look like they're like maybe faux leather or something like that. They're really pretty. And here is her round knob that goes on the side. She has put more of that lace all the way around, and then she did put a little bit here on the top, and she used a wooden spool on the top with the again with the trim going all the way around. I love that trim. And then so let me turn it over. This is the back side, very pretty. And she put some I don't know if I'm going to, and that's a real sewing machine needle, guys, right there. That's a real sewing machine needle on the sewing machine. So pretty. And then she used some fabric, and that is how she attached the needle. Okay, and then she used some wooden beads for the pulls on the drawers, and then this one opens up as well. So we're going to start at the bottom. This bottom opens up this way, and oh, how pretty. Oh, this is so pretty, Sherrie. Oh my goodness. You know what? I could make a pillow out of this. how pretty. It looks like a fancy napkin to me, but I think I'm gonna make a pillow out of this. Thank you, Sherrie. I think I'm going to do that. That's so pretty. I'm pretty certain. And then on the bottom, she put, how cute are these little dress forms? She put a lot of dress forms with the trims on them. That's a pink one. Oh, how pretty is this one? Oh my goodness, that's pretty. These dress forms are so cute. I'm gonna have to reuse those. And here's that trim. Oh, look at this pretty greenish one. Like a teal, like a really light teal. Very pretty. And then there's this one that is gathered. And then here's a card with a whole bunch of them. Look at that. Oh my gosh, Sherrie just set me up. Oh, I love them. They are so pretty. Wow, that is pretty. And then she even decorated the inside. You know what? I don't think I did that to mine. She put paper on the inside. You know what, guys? I didn't put paper on the inside of mine. Yeah. So there is that bottom drawer. Let me put these beauties back in there so that they are nice and neat. Oh, that is so pretty. You know what? I may have to copy these so I can have some of my own. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh, they're pretty. She inked the edges to make them look, you know, vintage. Very pretty. Thank you, Sherrie. I love that. And then we will open this drawer at the bottom, and this drawer at the bottom has some applique. Oh, this is an applique piece with like a trim applique. How pretty are those? Oh my goodness, they're beautiful. Cut these apart and use them individually. I love that. Thank you. And then she has, oh, how pretty are these roses. She has handmade some of these roses, or all of these roses. They're really, really pretty. Can't wait to use those. Beautiful. Sherrie, you did an amazing job on these flowers. I just can't, even with a mold, I have a problem making flowers. So that is so pretty, Sherrie. Thank you. I love that. And then we will open this next drawer, and this drawer has that pink rosette kind of trim. That's so pretty. I love the pink, and this is gorgeous. I love that. Can't wait to use that. Thank you, Sherrie. And in this last box right here, this flips open this way, and she papered all the inside as well. And on the inside she has, oh wow, she put a lot of stuff in there. Let me see. Oh, how pretty. Look, she sent me my own dress forms. All right, Sherrie, thank you. I love that. That's so pretty. And then she sent me big spools. Those are so pretty. Those are pretty. She had to fussy cut these, I'm sure. Love that. Thank you. And then she put 3 organza bags in here, and each organza bag has a different pearl strand. White, and this one's a cream color, and this one's a pink. Love that, especially the pink. I don't think I have any pink. Those are so pretty. Thank you, Sherrie. Oh my gosh, she spoiled me. Look at that. Thank you, Sherrie. I love everything. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Let's take one last look at that. That is so pretty. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Love it. Okay, guys, so let us see what is in that other package, which I think I know what it is, but I'm not too sure. I wanted to show it to you anyway. So this she wrapped and some pink tissue. And look at all that. Look at all that trim she used to tie it. I know that she did all that extra trim so that I can use it. I know she did, because she's cool like that. Look at all that trim, guys. That's a lot. Thank you, Sherrie. I know that's why you did it. You know, but I can't wait to make a pillow with this one. I cannot wait. I may use some of this trim on that pillow. So let me open this, guys. Okay, guys, yes, it is what I thought it was going to be. So Julia has been destashing here lately, and I had ordered a few things from her, and she's gone ahead and put it in the box. That way she didn't have to you know, ship twice. But these are rose molds, and I don't remember, I think this is a goodie that should be included with the sewing machine, because I don't think I ordered these. I'm pretty certain I didn't. And you know what? She asked me if I liked working with molds. So I'm sure this belongs to as part of the swap. And look at these flowers. Those are so cute. I'm gonna have to work with these, and you know what, maybe some resin I think would be great. Okay, so this is a Julia nutting. I've just here lately gotten into the Julia nutting cling stamps, and this little boy's name is Toby. He's adorable. I just need time to stamp and cut and paper piece these guys together. So adorable. And this one is Skylar. Skylar seems like a little hipster. So cute. And then this guy's name is Aiden. I have a grandson. My oldest grandson's name is Aiden. So cute. Oh my goodness. Can't wait. This one gives you an example on how you can use these. And guys, I just picked up this little cowgirl right here. Oh, that is so pretty. I love those. And then this one's a window shutter and awning from Our Daily Bread, which is now Divinity Designs. And I think I will use this quite often, because often I have found myself wishing I had a shutter, a window shutter. And here we go. And yeah, this is part of her destash, guys. Y'all should subscribe to her channel and hit that notification bell. She has had some amazing destashes, and they go really fast. You got to be on it. And this one is a flower box. Again, Our Daily Bread, which is now Divinity Designs. And here is the little flower box along with the flowers. I wonder if she ever even used this. I don't remember what she said. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. I like to make houses, so I've often wished I had one like this. And this one is one of my favorite things that that I've ever gotten, honestly, because I don't have a window. And I know you guys have seen me make projects, and I have to like hand cut my windows and all that. So this is a window, and I like this size. I like this window. So this is another die that she destashed. And I mean, look at all this, guys. Man. So this is part of her destash. This is a part of her goodies. And this is our swap, along with all these gorgeous fabrics and trims. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it all. Sherrie, thank you so much for being my partner, and just, you always make me feel so special. You always spoil me. I just love it. All right, guys, I hope you've enjoyed my project share, and I hope that this has inspired you to go out there and make something amazing. All right, guys, y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot.